These are Dumi Masala's last words to his family. The actor's younger brother shared the touching last moments spent with his brother before he succumbed to his injuries. Mbangini Masala heard the last few words his brother uttered before his death on Wednesday evening. "He told me that I had to be strong and he would also be strong for me and the family," said Mbangini. The Masala family is grappling with 2 deaths after their aunt also died after hearing of Dumi's passing. Mbangini told City Press his mother and Dumi's wife, actress Simfai Wangama, were not coping. "I cannot lie to you, it has been tough. Last year we lost our father and now it has been Dumi. My mother is a strong, brave woman," said Mbangini. The police service spokesperson Kamak Hubla indicated that the alleged hijacker drove off after firing shots at Dumi without stealing the car. The deceased was parked next to a friend's house, with him and his friend in the car. A black Jeep then parked behind him. The driver jumped out and approached the white VW Golf 7. The deceased noticed that the driver of the Jeep had a gun, and then tried to speed off. That is when the man with the gun fired shots at him, Makhubla said, adding that the killer then fled, while the deceased drove to a certain point before his friend took over to get him to the nearest hospital. Thank for watching. Please subscribe my channel to see more hot news every day. Thank you.